Achoo! Oh, I think I'm getting a cold.
What a bounce-tacular, boing-orific, lippity-loopity day for jump stops! Oh, fiddle frogs.
Ooh, it's definitely getting colder.
What? Your feet are getting cheesier?
Well, this is not boing-orific. It's Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! Stop! I'm down here!
What was that?
Sorry, when I get the honk sneezes, I really get the honk sneezes.
I'm just gonna scan you with my otoscope. Half elephant, half frog. This Odd-Paw is an Elefrog.
I love your nose. It's even bigger than mine.
Rabbit.
Poor thing. You definitely have the sniffles. Well, come down with us to the care clinic and we'll get you feeling all better.
I'll go get the out carrier.
Rabbit.
Or you could just get him yourself.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billie.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. I'm just gonna take your temperature. Open wide. High temperature, red nose, super loud honk sneezes. All of these are the signs of germs.
Gross!
Nasty things, germs, completely invisible. And it doesn't take much for them to spread.
Spread?
Rabbit.
How? Just like that.
Right, we've got to act fast before our Elefrog friend turns this place into one giant germ. Rox, Nova, you're my clinic cleanup team. Take this and spray it on all the surfaces. It'll get rid of those nasty germs.
You got it! Let's make it a game. Whoever gets the most germs wins. Ooh, or first to use up their spray. Or hide and seek. Ah, I love hide and seek.
Now those super strong honk sneezes are gonna need some super strong medicine.
What's that?
It's a nasal spray. It goes up your nose.
Up my nose?
Up her nose? Oh, be brave, Elefrog.
I'm not so sure about that, Billie.
Don't worry, it's totally safe. Just relax and...
That's what you were gonna say, right? Okay, if that's what you want.
Jumping? No, Elefrog! Come back! What? Oh, okay. I know it's a bit scary to do something you've never done before, but it won't hurt. Watch.
That doesn't look so bad. All right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1, and... There. That wasn't so bad, was it?
Not at all. It was kind of tickly.
Rabbit.
And we're all done cleaning over here.
Thank you so much, Billie. I feel boing-orific again.
So, all is well, and no one had to put anything up Rox's nose. Uh-oh.
Come on, Rox. You can do this.
Oh, no.
We've saved
every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Billie the Odd-Paw
Aha! Hello, my beauties! Amazing! It's all mine! A giant Thanksgiving feast for one! Ow! 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 Ooh!
Thanks for driving, Billie. If this Thanksgiving carrot you've grown is as big as you say, you're gonna need help carrying it.
Oh, it is. It's gonna feed all of Odd-Spring. It's right over. Oh no! My carrot! It's gone!
Don't worry, Avery. My team finds things in the odd woods all the time. We can help. Let me
Billie?
just...
Come in, Billie. We found an Odd-Paw in trouble.
See what I mean? What kind of trouble, Nova?
This kind?
I'm on my way. And don't worry, we'll find your missing carrot in time for Thanksgiving. An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set!
This job's for Billie.
The Odd-Paw Vet! Let's go! Billie the Odd-Paw Vet!
I'm fine! Really! Just as long as I don't move quickly.
I'm afraid that doesn't sound fine. Mind if I have a look?
I guess.
We've met this little fireball before. Otoscope, half bunny, half dragon. This Odd-Paw is our friend, Bunny-Gon. And by the way you're hunched over, I'd say you've hurt your back, Bunny-Gon.
I'm telling ya, I'm full.
Yeah, I can see that. But back injuries can be very painful. It's important to care for them properly, beginning with ice to reduce the pain and swelling. This ice pack should do the trick.
Ooh, that feels a little better.
Good. Now let's get you safely secured in an odd carrier and back to the clinic. Careful, everyone. The spine is a very important part of the body, and yours is a little, well, how do I say it?
Wibbly wobbly?
Well put, Nova. But a little massage and treatment will help straighten things out. Here we go. And there. How's that? So, Bunny-Gon, any plans for Thanksgiving?
Just the usual. Being thankful, sharing. Definitely not stealing any giant carrots.
Very good to know. That wouldn't be very Thanksgiving-y after all. Now, let's get a little heating cream on that sore spot here. Okay, Bunny-Gon, let's sit up and see how your back is feeling.
It's better. Wow, I'm so thankful.
Well, finally, let's get a back brace on you for protection until it heals fully. And remember, no heavy lifting until it does.
Thanks, Billie. That feels great.
Great. Now you rest while we help our friend Avery find his giant carrot for the Thanksgiving feast.
Missing giant carrots, you say?
Yes, he grew it big enough for everyone in Odd Springs to have some. But it went missing last night. Oh, Bunny-Gon, what's wrong? Does your back hurt again?
Oh, it was me! I stole the big carrot and carried it all the way home so I could eat it all myself. That's how I hurt my back.
Oh, I see.
Is it too late to share it with everyone?
I think we have just enough time.
Sorry I couldn't help carry the heavy carrot.
No heavy lifting.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Nope, nothing up there. Oh, my stomach is so empty. I'm so hungry. I wish I had a honey. Jackpot! Wow!
Whoa! A Barrot! Half bear, half parrot, and half beehive? You need some help there.
Oh, so sorry about that. I didn't mean to sting you. Although, I am going to have to ask you for that hive back. It is our house, you know.
Don't worry, we're on it. Billie, do you copy?
We've got an Odd-Paw in need of help.
Read you loud and clear, Nova. What's wrong?
We've got a Barrot with a bee sting and a beehive on his head.
Yikes. All right, Nova, we're on our way. An Odd-Paw needs help.
Better get set.
This job's for Billie.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Otoscope. Half bear, half parrot. This Odd-Paw is our friend Barrot. Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna get you out of that beehive in no time. Yeah, whatever you said.
This way. Nope. And now, in you go. Into the ambulance.
Please bring it back in one piece. The other bees will be very upset if their house gets damaged.
Don't worry. We'll be back soon. Okay, let's bring in our Odd-Paw patient.
I did not sign up for a workout.
Right. First things first. We need a little smidge of ointment for that bee sting.
Ooh, I'm on it.
She said a smidge rocks.
There. Feeling better?
Much better.
And now the trickier part, getting that beehive off your head. Yep, that's wedged on pretty tight. We're gonna have to be super careful so we don't damage the hive. It's no good. The honey is too sticky.
And too delicious.
Rocks, you're drooling everywhere. Like always.
Wait, that's it. We need to make him drool. Then the beehive will slide right off. You know, with this honey, we can make some delicious flapjacks.
And some honey glazed carrots.
Honey glazed carrots?
And a big honeycomb banana split sundae.
Banana split sundae? And spaghetti with honey.
It's working! It's working! I'm gonna pull off the slobbery beehive now. We did it!
I'm free! Now, where are those honey glazed carrots?
Here you go, Queen Bee. good as new. And without a Barrot hanging off it.
Wonderful! The other bees will be so pleased. And this is for you, your very own jar of honey, for the next time you're feeling a little peckish.
Peckish? Thanks, your royal queenness. And sorry for all the trouble. And thank you guys. You make me feel all better.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Outside. A little help.